love this shot, by the way. Hell yeah. You do actually have 197 horsepower in your car? That's insane. You got it tuned, or is that out the box? What? Okay. Geese using the safe way. Like, nope. Here we have an official. Boom. Don't want to be interfering. I stopped there for a second because the lady was taking a photo. She's from the official press crew, so yeah. We can't disappoint there. Fuck up her photos, right? Stay out of the way, stay away from each other. Don't bump too much. Okay? Okay. Here we go, flagman. And once again, we're rooting for the white roof here, 555. The smallest man you've ever seen in your life. His name is Gert-Jan, which is not a 2022 name, but whatever. All these little engines. It's so funny. It's out the box, that's insane. It would be so much fun if you go to the middle out of nowhere and start the race. Yo, welcome on in, ready to attack. Ooh. Yo, look at the little guy on the quad. Oh my god. And the girls here from the buck. These fucking champs. We're also rooting for her, by the way. Insane. Really fun. By the way, this is not at all what we're going to be doing today, but the youth always goes first. And they drive on like lawnmower cars. This bump right here is going to be a fucking mess. Come on, little guy, you can do it, man. Come on, little guy. Come on, Gert-Jan. The guy here on the back. Oh, Jesus, Deacon. What would that cost you, man? That would be expensive, right? Look at them go. Oh, poor soul. It's Garfield. Oh, guys, it's Garfield. That's such a... Oh. Poor soul. Welcome to the real world, guy. Welcome to the real world. Here's a little man again. And the girls. Yo, the girls are doing it though. Oh my god. Yo, these girls do not. Girl power here. I love it. Yo, these girls do not mess with. Why do you say that? You cannot mess with the girls. That's what I wanted to say. You already have the hard drive fitted for a stage 1 map? Oh shit, Deacon. Mate, I would love to like step on the gas in your car once. Should be a lot better than my 50 horsepower Fiat. I love this little man. It looks so cool. And here are the girls again. Oh my god, hell yeah. Fuck yeah, that's so awesome. Yo, Nakalta, welcome back. Did you say these nuts? It's only a 2-liter turbo Skoda. Yeah, but still. The horsepower's mate. Ooh, look here. Oh, poor soul. He's just taking it easy. Look at this little guy. Oh my God. He's going so fast. And he's like 6. But yeah, Nakota, welcome back. Hope you've been doing well. Thank you so much for joining again today. Slow, bro. Yo, look at him go. Oh my God. And the girls again. The girls are laughing at everybody.